Are you looking to sell your house quickly? Hey, it's Adam Crosson here with Crosson Co Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. Some of you serious home sellers, we're entering the fall market, and I've got 3 things for you today to remember if you're looking to sell your house quickly. Who isn't, right? So number 1 is the big one, price it right. The market is shifting constantly. There's ebbs and flows to it. So you're going to want to make sure that you consult with a professional, experienced agent and price it right the first time, because you're looking at losing time and money if you don't. And number 2 is make some smart or select repairs up front to avoid maybe some due diligence type or inspections that come later on. You can get ahead of the game and avoid having to do some repairs that you can take care of up front, and it's going to make your house show better. It's going to give you better curb appeal and an overall better showing experience for the buyer. I always tell people, put yourself in a buyer's shoes when you're looking at selling your home. And to take it a step further, the first-time home buyer's dad, and real estate agents know exactly what I'm talking about. The first-time home buyer's dad comes in, and buddy, they're going to start paying attention and nitpicking things. And then lastly is you may want to consider some type of concession you could offer to entice buyers to come look at your home. It could be offering to buy a 1-year home warranty for them, perhaps offering to pay some closing costs as well. So I hope you found this information valuable. And for more information on selling your house fast, reach out to the most trusted source in the industry, Crosson Co Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. And thank you for watching.